For as long as I can remember, reading was a struggle. By sixth grade, my reading challenges began to impact me academically, and I could no longer use my compensatory strategies to offset my inability to read with fluency. As my dyslexia began to interfere with my ability to succeed as a student, my self-love and self-confidence plummeted, and I began to believe that I would be unable to pursue my dreams and aspirations. When I was first introduced to Learning Ally's catalog of human-read books, my world changed. Learning Ally opened me to all that books have to offer, allowed me to achieve academic success and pursue my dreams. My favorite book that I've read thus far on Learning Ally has to be One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest by Ken Kesey. And what made that book so compelling, and what also happens to be my favorite Learning Ally feature, is the fact that that text, along with all of the other texts on Learning Ally, are human read. I want to extend a heartfelt thank you to the donors and volunteers who support Learning Ally. You make the seemingly impossible feat of providing access to over 80,000 human-read audiobooks possible, and your work enables students like me to achieve our potential.